Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some bird simulator. We're going to be eating some doo-doo water holes, and that's going to be that. Cheese may be with us shortly, so hey, you're back. Yeah, I was talking. I just said I stole your. I'm gonna starve you or whatnot. But so Cheese is back in business, and I'm recording. So yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, I was just about to say.
What would you do actually to say?
Close the thing and start it again. You think I'd get banned for that?
Thinking about it.
No, don't. See, I'm living life out here. I'm eating all the local populace, and I'm doing good. What if I sang a song and it sounded so much like the song that I got copyright strike for playing a song in my video because I'm so good at singing?
You dog.
No, it's you bad. You dog water.
No, you're bad actually if you think about it.
Bad. Yo, mama bad. Where is the rest of the local populace? Did I eat them all? I think I ate all the beavers and rabbits. They're not capybara. They're not okay.
So
Pull up.
they're not.
How about at the after party? You and I are friends, and they love to get naughty. Sipping on the hill, take you back in the car. 1942, I take you back in the ride. Okay, pull up, hop out at the after party. You and I are friends, and they're loving me naughty. 1940. Alright, let's find some more bozos to consume, and I'm just gonna camp them until I'm hungry. We've already got 17 minutes of food stealing. Join my game!
No.
Why not? We were having so much fun, and you were stealing my food, and you were laughing at me, and and all the good stuff. They're all spawning under the map. It'd be funny if you joined my game.
No, it wouldn't.
Yeah, it would be. I think I extincted all the animals. Squirrel. It's probably the last of its species. Oh gosh. Привет, Mr. Squirrel, I'm hungry. Very tasty.
Not today, Mr. Snake.
It's not your day, Mr. Squirrel.
Not today, Mr. Snake.
Solid snake, little girl. I bet you like Mistral, Bozo.
Wait, what did you say?
I bet you like Mistral, Bozo.
No, what the fuck is Mistral?
You said, not your day, Mr. Snake, and I said, Metal Gear Solid?
I don't really like Metal Gear Solid.
No, I bet you like Mistral.
I remember I played like a little Metal Gear Solid game and I don't like it.
I bet you like a Monsoon.
What the fuck is Monsoon?
A bozo that you like.
Not your bad.
No. At least I don't like Buzz Monsoon. My graphics all the way up.
At least I don't like Metal Gear Rising.
No, you like Monsoon and Mistral.
What the fuck is Monsoon?
You get hard at seeing Mistral.
Who the fuck is Mistral?
I bet you go into Rule 34 to search up Mistral.
What is Mistral?
Cotton 4K, pretending you don't know.
Mistral?
Yep, you like Mistral.
Who the fuck is Mistral?
She's a bozo you like.
I have no clue who Mistral is.
You get off to Mistral.
Mistral. Metal Gear Rising. Oh, that.
Yeah, I bet you like her. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, you just got a boner right now. I'm detecting your blood. I'm detecting your heart rate spike.
Look what I found when I searched it up.
Because you need more blood
images.
going to your penis. What did you find? Yeah, that's why you're hard. That's why you're so. That is disgusting. That is so weird.
Nah, that's you. You got hard.
No. I'm looking at your Raiden.
I will send an image right now.
Raiden, what just happened? Your heart rate just spiked.
I'm not.
Yeah, your mom's Raiden. You're Raiden.
I will send an image.
You're the Raiden with the poncho and the sombrero.
Your mama.
You're Raiden with the poncho and the sombrero. What do you think about that?
I hate Raiden. I hate anybody in the Metal Gear Rising franchise.
But you have a poncho and a sombrero.
How'd you know?
Well, just took a wild guess. Every time I see poncho and sombrero wearing Raiden, I think of you. What do you think about that? Oh yeah, just leveled up. There's no more wildlife. I mean, don't owls eat birds? Why can't I just eat a bird, like a house finch or something? Activate Jericho sirens. Do a roll. The Stuka burrowing Allah. Привет, mister. It is not your day, Mr. Rabbit. You are going to die. Because I'm hungry. I'm going to stalk you until I'm hungry.
Not the name, Mr. Snake.
It's not your... I bet you like snake. What? What?
I just saw the video of the Not Today, Mr. Snake. It's funny as hell.
Why? Why? Send me it. That's what you want.
Not Today, Mr. Snake.
What? What did you say?
Not today, Mr. Snake.
Send me video. I think that might actually wrap it up for today's video. Because, yes, that is going to wrap it up.
I could just ruin your whole recording by saying that word.
Alright, so goodbye.